Challenging times are part of life, though you might be feeling exhausted and even powerless while trying to restore your energy. You need to remember that it happens to everyone. It could be a difficult financial period, a complicated situation in your close relationships, loneliness, health issues, a harsh defeat, or a failure that has drained your energy. But either way, it's temporary, and restoring energy is an important next step. Everything in life has cycles. Sometimes you just feel down, and that's okay. But eventually, the wheel turns and you will get back on the horse. It may be challenging to see that in the middle of your struggle, but it's all temporary. In hard times, when it's hard to see the way out, it's important to remind yourself that you are the one that is making the decisions, and you are the one that has the ability to choose. You can choose how you are handling your situation. You can dwell and stay stuck on your difficulties and unfortunate situation, or you can help yourself getting better and restore your energy one step at a time. What do you do when you fail? You know, other than that, all failure is psychological. Other than that, all failure is psychological. Think about that. Just think about that. This failure, this upset, this catastrophe, if you are not dead, then it's just psychological. It's in your head. Now, this doesn't mean that you won't lose some battles, because you will. We all will. But it does mean that as long as you don't surrender, as long as you don't give up, as long as you don't quit, then you haven't failed. It just means you made a temporary tactical retreat. It means you made a brief withdrawal so that you can regroup and reattack. As far as I'm concerned, if you get beat, unless you are not dead, you are not defeated and you haven't failed. What you have done is you learned and you have gained experience, and you're still alive and you have memories to make. So get up and go after it. Let the world know we are still here. We are still in the game. We haven't been defeated. So stand up straight. Stand up straight and march forward and give someone else encouragement. Let them see you standing strong. Set an example. And by our very posture, by our very being, we will let the world know that we are here to win.